Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
You begin by preparing both iPhones. Make sure Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, and cellular data are active on the host and client. On the host iPhone open settings, tap Personal Hotspot and toggle Allow others to join. While here you can set or note the Wi-Fi password. You need it if you don't use automatic hotspot. Keep both phones unlocked and within a few meters. Once done, move to the client iPhone to find the host network in Wi-Fi settings. On the client iPhone, tap Settings, then Wi-Fi and look for the host's network name. It matches the host's device name. Tap it and enter the hotspot password shown on the host, unless you're signed into the same Apple ID. Then use Automatic Hotspot for one-tap connection. After joining, check the client shows the Wi-Fi icon and the host displays a blue status bar or banner indicating a connected device. Make sure Bluetooth stays enabled if Wi-Fi pairing required. To finish, confirm the client can browse the web and that the host shows a connected device count. This verifies data is flowing. If you hit issues, first toggle Personal Hotspot off and on, then restart both phones and retry the connection. Make sure the host's carrier plan supports tethering and cellular signal strength is adequate. If persistent problems remain, reset network settings on both devices, but be aware this clears saved Wi-Fi passwords.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.